This one gets driven into the ground, and you kind of pull it and it goes flat and it holds everything down. So we have this for the ground, and then Angela is holding the actual part that goes into the framing member, which will be the bottom plate of the greenhouse. So tell people what in the world that is.
So pretty much you stick the cable through the bottom of it, and it is a one-way ticket.
One-way ticket.
There's no pulling back out.
One-way ticket to Anchortown.
And I guess you cut off the top if you want to, or just...
Yep, you can trim it whenever you're done. I thought it was a really cool system when I saw it, because we'll be able to drill a hole and mount this into the bottom plate of the greenhouse. And then, I mean, if we want to pull it tight, we can step on it, bounce on the wall, whatever. And it's a really cool way of really cinching it down to the earth. So we got a total of 7 of these, which is more than a structure like this would need. But I got that many so that I'm able to properly square and keep everything with this front wall, the doorway. It wants to get all crooked on us.
It's all crooked.
It is. So we're going to use these anchors not only to hold it to the ground, but also hold it in place so it stays square. All right, first step is to drill your hole for your anchor to go. So here on our bottom plate, I've got a 5/8 Forstner bit, and I'm just going to drill a hole right here in the middle. Then we take our anchor and we get it ready like this. We'll stick the drive rod through. At this point, you're not going to pull this out by hand, probably. So, Angela and I came up with this cool solution to do this and to pry it out. After you do that, use the same pliers, wrap the cable around it, and I'm going to pull this, and it's going to make that arrowhead go from this way to that way, and it'll lock it in the ground. Okie dokie. And then the last thing to do is to fish the cable through the thimble. Remember, this is a one-way. Place it down, and then we'll secure it with 2 little screws. And then for good measure, I'll just do this one last time with the pliers this time. That's it.